guys! It's me again, Nurse Maria. Na-miss niyo ba ako? Ako, miss ko na kayo. Char! I know, this vlog is long overdue, but trust me, good things are always worth the wait. Last month, my niece Sophia and I finally crossed one of our biggest dreams of our bucket list. We spent 12 amazing days exploring South Korea. From historical palaces and breathtaking views to incredible food and unforgettable experiences. Every single day felt like we were living inside a K-drama. Our adventure started a little differently because Sophia and I flew in different airlines and arrived at different times. So after patiently waiting for her at Incheon International Airport, we didn't waste a second. We picked up our luggage, got excited, and headed straight to our very first destination, which is the Gyeongbokgung Palace. Sorry for my pronunciation. If you're planning to visit, here's a little travel tip. Book your handbook rental in advance to clock if you want to save time. We decided to look for a rental shop near the palace instead. It took us a while to find one, so we lost a bit of time. But honestly, it became part of the adventure. And then came the best part, the moment we wore our handbooks. OMG! Parang bigla kaming nag-level up. Hindi lang kami naging tao, naging princesses. Prinsesa pa kami, char. Walking around Gyeongbokgung Palace while wearing a handbook was truly magical. The grand palace, colorful details, peaceful courtyards, and beautiful mountains in the background made us feel like we had traveled hundreds of years back in time. We spent almost 2 hours walking, talking, taking photos, laughing at our funny poses, filming TikToks, and simply enjoying every moment together. The palace was packed with tourists from different parts of the world, but somehow it made the experience even more exciting. Everyone was smiling, taking pictures, and appreciating the beauty of Korean culture. One thing I learned during this trip is that travel isn't about rushing from one place to another. It's about creating memories, embracing different cultures, and enjoying every little moment along the way. So, if South Korea is in your bucket list, make sure to visit Gyeongbokgung Palace. Wear a handbook, take thousands of photos, get lost in its history, and allow yourself to experience Korea beyond what you see on TV. And this is only day 1 of our 12-day South Korea adventure. Trust me, the best is yet to come. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join me as we explore our one unforgettable destination after another. Let's go! O, diba? Parang nasa Korean drama ka. Kung sino man yung mga idol ang mga Koreano. Yala, go! Punta na kayo, guys! O, diba? Feel ko talaga na maganda ako. Yan lang. Bye!